Punjab or Sindh Bank Q3 FY26 results, profit surges 19% with strong asset quality. Punjab or Sindh Bank has reported a strong financial performance for the third quarter of fiscal year 2026, with its net profit surging 19.3% to reach 336.4 crore rupees. This growth highlights the bank's successful efforts in cleaning up its balance sheet and expanding its core lending operations. The bank's total business has reached a new milestone of 2,49,691 rupee crore, representing an 11.84% year-over-year increase. A major highlight of the quarter was the robust growth in gross advances, which jumped 15.25% to 1,10,488 rupee crore, significantly outpacing the industry average and reflecting strong credit demand. On the liabilities side, total deposits grew by 9.27% to 1,39,203 rupee crore. The bank also saw healthy traction in its CASA, current account savings account, deposits, which grew nearly 9% year-on-year. This has helped the bank maintain a stable CASA ratio of 31.02%, providing a reliable source of low-cost funds. Asset quality showed a remarkable improvement this quarter. The gross non-performing assets (GNPA) ratio declined sharply to 2.60%, down from 3.83% a year ago. Similarly, net NPAs eased to 0.74%, signaling that the bank's recovery mechanisms and credit monitoring systems are yielding positive results. Net interest income for the quarter grew by 5% to 986.2 crore rupees, while total income rose to 3,529 crore rupees. The bank's efficiency is also on the rise, with the cost-to-income ratio reducing to 60.21%, down from 62.11% in the previous year, as the lender focuses on digital adoption and process optimization. The bank's capital position remains strong with a capital adequacy ratio (CRAR) of 16.83%, well above the regulatory requirements. To support future growth and strengthen the balance sheet further, the board has already approved plans to raise up to 3,000 crore rupee through a qualified institutional placement (QIP). Management, led by MD or CEO Swaroop Kumar Seh, has highlighted that the bank's RAM, retail, agriculture, and MSME segment continues to be a major driver, growing by 21.94% year-on-year. This focus on granular, high-yielding retail assets is expected to sustain the bank's margin profile in the coming quarters. The credit deposit (CD) ratio improved to 79.37%, indicating a more efficient utilization of deposits for lending activities. With the provision coverage ratio increasing to 92.23%, Punjab or Sindh Bank has built a substantial buffer against potential future credit risks, providing confidence to long-term investors. Looking ahead, the bank is focusing on its PSB Next digital transformation journey to enhance customer experience and operational speed. As the bank enters the final quarter of the fiscal year, it is well positioned to meet its full-year credit growth guidance of 15–16%. In conclusion, Q3 FY26 was a quarter of significant fundamental strengthening for Punjab or Sindh Bank. With declining bad loans, accelerating credit growth, and a clear path for capital infusion, the lender is emerging as a resilient player in the public sector banking space. The stock market moves fast, and missing one update can cost you. To stay ahead with the latest company news, quarterly results, and order wins, hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a market beat.